Hey all, Pinless Bob here. Hello in VR. This is my custom home. And some people saw this and asked me, well, how do you do this? All right. So I will have to tell you, I'm not going to show you how to do it, but all the usual stuff. You have to be in developer mode. You have to have IDB. You have to have developer mode turned on your Oculus and your phone app. And you're going to use side quests. So that's the bottom line. You need a PC. And by the way, sneaky, you can actually, if you have an Android phone, you can actually do this with an Android phone. And there's videos on how to do that. Google it. I'm not going to show you. Personally, you might not like this. I'm an Apple phone guy, so I can't do it from the phone, but there are ways. One day we may see a side quest even in our in VR, I bet, but it'll piss Facebook off, so you never know. Anyway, let me open my stuff here. So let me show you how this is done. In side quest, and you go to like games or whatever, there's a thing called Oculus Homes. And you can actually install these different Oculus homes, right? And there's all kinds of them. Used to be a lot harder than this. SideQuest added this recently, and there's a bunch of different homes. So if I go to, and I'm going to show you about this. So if I go to settings and virtual environment and the home screen. So how it works is it replaces some of the default cities. It can't replace bubbles. It can't replace some of them, but some of them it can. So like classic home, that is one I've got set. Space station, that's the one I currently have set. Cyber city, I believe it can replace. Yes, it can. Rake and a retreat, it can't, or maybe it can, I don't remember. It can replace about half of them. It can't replace Quest Dome. Winter Lodge, it can replace. And Desert Terrace, I believe it can replace, but I don't have them all replaced, so I'm just gonna, let me drag this down here. I'm gonna show you my custom homes that I have. Some of them are pretty cool. So, settings, virtual environment. So this is one. Now you can have animated homes. Let me close that. You literally can have, this one's called Eagle, I think. If you look down, you see it's an eagle, and it's flying around the mountains of Greece, I think, or something. Looks like the Mediterranean to me. The homes, and it's pretty cool. Now, for some people, they may not like this with the movement, but, of course, it is a home screen, so you can bring up, your home screen stuff while you're flying around, right? So pretty cool. All right, let me go back to settings. And then there's this one, which is my Mars one. This is the one I use actually mostly. I think it's kind of cool to be on Mars. You see, you can look around. You got astronauts, etc., etc. So Cyber City. Okay, this one is, I'm a scuba diver, so this one's my fish one. And actually, if I open a window here, it actually plays under the sea. I think. Used to. Well, maybe V30 messed that up. That's interesting. I didn't know that. There we go. Turn my volume up. So kind of cool. So we go. Let's go look at the other virtual environments that I can replace. So again, I did Space Station. I showed you my Cyber City. This one cannot be replaced. That's why it's the same. Quest Dome, nope. Winter Lodge can be replaced. So this is one of my favorites. I'm at the Grand Canyon. You can hear the eagle make noises, but check out the Grand Canyon. So this is also one of my favorite homes. And again, there's a ton more. So, I can open up my windows and I'm in my home. If you go to Quest games, and there's all kinds of them. One for, you can have the bridge of the Star Trek Enterprise, all those things. Anyway, it's kind of cool. And the reason some cannot be replaced, is because it's interesting how they learned this, like bubbles, and some of these can't be replaced. Some of them are in the system, and some are in the user data. I wish Oculus would get a grip on this whole virtual environment thing and allow us to replace any of these, or add our own custom ones rather than, when I pick Space Station, the icon looks like the original Space Station, but of course it's very different. I wish they'd allow more customization here, allow us to have whatever home we like, right? So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that you can have customs homes, and if you know how to sideload, got developer mode, there's a ton of them, and I mean a ton of them. Anyway, this will let you know about custom home screens. I hope this was helpful to someone. Enjoy.